Imagine a crucial piece of industrial equipment suddenly stops, bringing production to a halt. The Programmable Logic Controller, or PLC, is often the brain behind these operations, and its input and output modules are the nervous system connecting it to the real world. A fault in these modules can be a real head-scratcher, but knowing where to start your investigation makes all the difference. Diagnosing PLC input or output module faults primarily involves a systematic process of observation, physical inspection, and logical deduction using diagnostic tools and the PLC program itself. The core fact is that these modules act as intermediaries, translating signals from the field into data for the PLC, and vice versa. When they fail, this critical communication breaks down, indicating a need for immediate and methodical troubleshooting. The reason for this methodical approach is that module faults often manifest as symptoms elsewhere, like a sensor not reading or an actuator not moving. The module itself might be faulty, or it could be an issue with the field device, the wiring, or even the PLC's program logic. Pinpointing the exact cause requires ruling out possibilities systematically. The module's internal circuitry converts field voltages and currents into digital signals and back again, and any disruption in this conversion process can lead to errors. To begin diagnosing, first observe the module's status indicator lights. A solid or flashing error light on an input or output module is your primary visual cue. Next, check the wiring connections at the module terminal block, ensuring they are secure and free from corrosion. A loose wire is a common culprit. Then, use a multimeter to verify voltage and current at the module's terminals for both input and output signals, confirming that the field device is sending or receiving the expected power. For inputs, manually activate the sensor and watch the corresponding indicator light on the module and, in the PLC programming software, to see if the signal registers. For outputs, force the output on through the PLC software and check the module's indicator light and the field device's operation. Also, review the PLC diagnostic buffers or fault logs within the programming software, as these often provide specific error codes or messages related to module health, which is a powerful troubleshooting shortcut. If these steps do not reveal the issue, swapping a suspect module with a known good one is often the quickest way to confirm a module failure, but always ensure power is off before exchanging any components. Remember to always consult the manufacturer's documentation for specific diagnostic codes and recommended troubleshooting procedures for your particular PLC and module series. This can reveal unique module-specific behaviors or advanced diagnostic features. Leveraging the built-in diagnostic capabilities of modern PLC platforms, such as cross-referencing I/O addresses within the software to trace their use in the program, is a highly effective way to identify affected logic or components quickly. Ultimately, successfully diagnosing PLC module faults means swiftly restoring critical automation processes, minimizing costly downtime, and maintaining operational efficiency. By combining careful observation, physical checks, and intelligent use of diagnostic tools, you equip yourself with the expertise to quickly identify and resolve these common industrial challenges, keeping your systems running smoothly and productively.
If you love exploring industrial tech, like, subscribe, and keep innovating with us.